Advanced Revenue Management, Revenue Allocation Details. Okay, so here we are. We've looked at returns. Now we're going to look at the revenue allocation details. Suite answer 49228. So let's go have a look there. The Allocation Details subtab lets you see how the allocation is calculated for each revenue element. This subtab on the revenue arrangement record is read-only and is visible only in view mode. It includes the following columns. So let me just quickly go and show you. I've got a revenue arrangement up here, and then here is the tab Allocation Details. Right. So let's go. Revenue element linked to the revenue element record. Right. So there you can see the revenue element, and we'll open the revenue element record for you. Item linked to item record. There's your item. Can open that item, look at the item. Fair value price record, linked to fair value price record. For this specific one, I don't have a fair value price record. Best fair value, got it in there. Base fair value uses sales price as fair value. If yes, the fair value price record field is blank. Right. So here you can see this column, use sales price as fair value. It says yes. Okay, because I don't have a fair value. Is VSO price derived from the fair value price list? This indicates whether the fair value is an actual VSOE price. Right, you can see there yes for all of them. Fair value formula linked to the fair value formula record. I don't have a formula for this one. Pre-range checking, the result of the fair value formula calculation. This is the calculated fair value amount before the range checking policy is applied. Then you've got your range policy. I don't have those in here. Low value, discounted sales amount, high value. These are all fair value related. Calculated fair value amount. The calculated fair value amount after the range checking policy is applied. The sum of the values in this column may not exactly equal the total revenue amount due to rounding. Rounding errors are addressed during the final allocation step. The revenue element is adjusted that has the greatest absolute allocation amount and is neither a kit item nor excluded. Step 1 result, the revenue, you'll see here's a step 1 result and a step 2 result. The revenue amount at the end of the first allocation step. Step 2 result, the revenue amount at the end of the second allocation step. Errors that occur in processing the allocation. Right, so that is your allocation detail.